Hey there, everyone! A car that has been a staple in Pakistan's automotive market for over 3 decades. The Mehran is a small, compact car that was first introduced in 1983. It's known for its affordability, reliability, and versatility. In 2007, Suzuki introduced a new model of the Mehran called the Juharanid. This model was designed to cater to the needs of the Pakistani market, with features like a spacious interior, a powerful engine, and a fuel-efficient design. The Juharanid was available in both manual and automatic transmissions, making it a popular choice for both drivers and passengers. It was also equipped with air conditioning, power steering, and a radio, making it a comfortable and convenient ride. Overall, the Suzuki Mehran, and specifically the Juharanid model, has been a beloved car in Pakistan, and it's still going strong today. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive news and reviews. Until next time, happy driving!